Let me tell you a quick story. Many years ago, I wanted wood as outdoor furniture. It looks great, but then after enough years, you realize the upkeep is enormous. So I paid a lot of money for outdoor furniture. Now, as you can see, even after storing it right, this is what happened. I had to take matters in my own hands, just like they say in The Fifth Element. If you want something done, do it yourself. I'm gonna build my own aluminium table. I'm gonna use the composite wood from the old table, and this is going to be completely upkeep free. Best of all, I'm going to include the free plans, so let's go. We're going to start by cutting 40 by 40 millimeter square tubing. It's aluminium, 3 millimeter thick. A good metal cutting saw makes your life so much easier, so just buy one. Total, I used about 9 to 10 meters. In the description you will find a link to download the plans. We will start off by welding the sides together first. This is aluminium, so TIG welding is the way to go. Remember that aluminium transfers heat really quickly, which makes it prone to warping, so keep it square. I know what some of you are thinking. TIG welding aluminium must be really hard. Well, it really isn't. Just get the right equipment and go for it. Remember, don't be afraid to fail. Next up, we are drilling holes for the top support. If you haven't seen my video on how to sharpen your own drill bit, just click the link in the description. So here's the reason why you shouldn't work when you're tired. I wanted to weld these supports, which are going to hold the top. Now, as you can see here, it is not in line, so it protrudes and the top will protrude as well, which will make it look really bad. Now, this is what happens when you work when you're tired. I had no idea. I don't know how it even worked out, because all these supports on this side are completely off, especially this one. So I'm gonna have to cut these off. Now, angle grinder will make quite a big gap, so I'm gonna try with a jigsaw instead. So let's see if it works out. So everything's well into place. We fixed this with the jigsaw. It did work out. I did re-weld it, and now it's plain, so that's great. It's ready to be attached on the composite wood. However, first I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it black. So I'm gonna use some acetone to wipe it down. I'm just gonna scrub it lightly with this kind of Scotch-Brite, and then I'm gonna prime it, and we're gonna paint it. So follow me on that process. And this is the top of the table. As you've seen, I'm using cross braces here. I'm using 4 points to attach the top. will be 1 point here, 1 here. This is just for support. And then I got 1 more here and 1 more there. And that will be 2 screws for each board. And the side boards will only have 1 screw. But that will be good enough. With the composite wooden pieces, this really is a no upkeep furniture. Perfect for outdoor settings. Here's a view of the table. Looks great. It will look even better when I add the sitting parts. If you like this video, or if you use the plans and downloaded them, please hit the like button, please hit subscribe. It would really help out my channel. And stay tuned for more videos.